Hi, and welcome to Legionero Designs, where I share my love of planning and my journey with learning how to use AI. So I'm back again with another Canva code, Canva KI app, Canva AI app that was created. And this one is actually planner related. This one generates prompts for planner pages. And you see here, the possibilities are endless, right? So if you're a person who likes to create your own prompt guides, you can create tons of prompt guides using this generator. Or if you just want to make your own planner pages, you can do that as well. There's a link here to the generator. If you have trouble with the password, if you copy and paste. I am getting so tongue-tied today. If you copy and paste the password and it doesn't work, just type it out. It's all caps and no spaces, right? Not even between the dashes and the password. And then that'll get you into the generator. I've been having issues with copying and pasting it for some reason. So I just type it, like I would type a normal password in. Right, so here's the generator. You have your home page. It tells you build your prompt. You have 20 drop down options. It tells you some of the generators you can use. Now I'm going to be honest, I've tried Midjourney. Some of the writing doesn't come out well, but I did hear that Midjourney version 8 is much better with words. I have not tried Midjourney version 8 because it eats up your fast hours because it's in alpha Midjourney right now. So I have not tried it over there. I use ChatGPT. I don't have an Ideogram account or a Whisk account. So I'm going to show you how they come out using ChatGPT. And of course, you can monetize your vision. You can sell these printable planner pages. You can do digital downloads. You can make prompt guides. The possibilities are endless. You have an about page, right, that talks about me. My Facebook group is actually not on here, but I did create a Facebook group. It's very new, so bear with us if you join. I'll make sure that I link it in the description box below, my Facebook group. But just want to have fun with creating AI over there. Like I said, it's brand new, so I haven't really got my footing yet, but it's there. You have my PayHip store, my YouTube channel, and my Instagram. Instagram is not new, but I am just now starting to post more of what I'm doing over there. Right, here's the prompt builder menu here. We'll come back to that. There is a frequently asked questions for any questions that you may have. Again, some monetization ideas and resources of different platforms, right, that you can use. Right, so I'm going to go back to the prompt builder. And here's where you would select your options, right? If you hit the drop down, you see you have a custom details button. So if you don't want to use any of these options, you can actually type your custom details down here. So for character type, you can type down here character type, whatever you want it to be, right? You should have a custom details button for each one of these drop downs. You have a randomize all button. Where it will randomly choose options for you. And you see how the prompt is coming down here. I'm actually going to change some things here, because with mine, I like to have for this week's goals, I like to have blank lines, so I can, if I don't want to use any of these goals that are listed here, I like to have blank lines so that I can write in mine. Also with priorities lists, I like to write in my own. Let's see. Time, I'm going to change it from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. Decorative quote. These are Bible verses. Right. And then if you hit randomize all like I did and you change some things, just make sure you hit generate prompt so it can regenerate the prompt with the new options that you chose. Once the prompt is done generating, you hit copy prompt, and I'm going to go over to ChatGPT. Right, and I'm going to go over here to images, and I'm just going to paste the prompt in. Right. And while that's generating, over here, on the About page, if you want to check out my shop, you can. Right, it'll take you to my shop. If you want to find the prompt generators, just across here, you would click the prompt generators, and you would see which ones are available. I make sure I use these because there's a lot of things on the store. So if you're looking for something specific, like the prompt guides or something like that, just click on whatever you're looking for here, and it will take you to that place in my store. All right, so let's see. And it does it in two ways. It either gives you a full horizontal layout or a full vertical layout. It just depends on the AI platform that you're using and the prompt. Right, so I like this, so I can put this as like one 8.5 by 11 page in my planner, or whatever size planner I use. You can take this over to Canva and size it however you want to size it. But this is beautiful. I love this, and this is faith driven. This is, but like I said, there's the custom details. So if you want to change something in this, you can definitely change whatever you want to change. But this is beautiful. This is a beautiful page. I would print this out and stick it in a notebook or a planner. Love it. And this keeps me from having to do all of this myself. I used to have to go over to Canva, and if I wanted to do this week's goals like this, I would have to, get the text, get the box, get the line, try to line everything up properly. You're doing everything by hand, but there's no guesswork. Like, look at this beautiful design here with the flowers and the vase and the planner here, the cup, the candle, the little clip here, the doll. Just everything is it's a very beautiful aesthetic, in my opinion. So again, let's go back over here to the generator. You can choose any of these that you want. Right. And I just saw something I may have to fix. It says choose from 20 curated drop downs. There are not 20 options on here. So that's something that I need to go in and change. But by the time you see this video, it'll be changed. But anyway, you still can create so many things here with this. And let me go back here. Here are some of the examples. Like this one is one whole one here where I said that it will create 2 pages. These are 2 separate pages. So this would be something that you would do horizontal. And you would probably punch your whole hole punches up here. Or if you do digital planning, this is just a different layout. This is a horizontal versus a vertical layout. Right, here's another one that I wanted to show you. It's a little bit bigger where you can see things a little bit clearer because I downloaded it. But this just, again, a beautiful aesthetic that you can use. So let me know what you think about the prompt generator. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments. I'll answer them to the best of my ability. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you in the next one.